How to accept friend requests in Apex Legends Mobile. So if someone you know has said they sent you a friend request and then you need to accept it, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But if you want to send a friend request, so add friends in Apex Legends Mobile, there is a link in the description below and on the end screen to this video to show you how to do that. But for now, for accepting friends, you want to click on the left hand side of the screen. It should be a person icon with a plus, or potentially a bunch of avatars if you already have friends added. You want to click on that area of the left hand side of the screen. Then you should see this menu. You want to click on the bottom left where it says friends. Then you should see at the bottom right it should say requests. Click on that. Then you should see your friend's username in there. You'll want to click accept for that. And then you can also click accept all on the bottom if you have multiple friend requests. And once you've done that, you can go back into the main menu. Then all you need to do is press like the plus button, like on the game, or click on the friend's profile to invite them to the lobby, and then you'll be able to play with each other. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.